in our almost 2.5 years of operating the site, we'd never seen a sequence of events of that intensity and that within such a short time frame.
Sunshine House in downtown Winnipeg is sounding the alarm after 10 toxic drug overdoses took place at their mobile overdose prevention site in just a 2-hour span. They say some were caused by a powder substance called brown down. And while there were no deaths, they feel the high volume of incidents is concerning.
By the second event, we had to call 911 and WFPS arrived, so paramedics had arrived on site and assisted through about 45 minutes of complete chaos of numerous community members and relatives going down because of drug toxicity.
The situation comes at a time when the province is expected to open its first supervised consumption site in Manitoba this year. A public consultation forum is taking place this week, but for some on the front lines, it isn't enough.
It's too little too late. Like, we have to take more drastic actions like right now to prevent these kinds of events and to prevent deaths. Like, these deaths are preventable.
Mayor Scott Gillingham says the city and the province are working together to get people out of encampments and into housing with drug addiction treatment supports. And he wants to see the same supports offered at the proposed site, while making sure safety in the surrounding community is also considered.
I know they're consulting with area residents. They've told me that they're really focused on the safety in the area. Also, any potential criminal element that would be there, they want to mitigate against that. So I've raised all these as concerns with provincial government. They have assured me that they're looking at this and addressing these things.
In a statement to City News, Minister of Housing, Addictions and Homelessness, Bernadette Smith, thanked the workers who swiftly saved lives this past weekend. Her statement reads, in part, supervised consumption sites save lives. That's why we're working towards opening one in Winnipeg to better connect folks with not just a safe space to use, but with access to primary healthcare, addiction services, as well as mental health supports to help lead folks to a path of recovery. In Winnipeg, Eddie Huband, City News.